Hello friends, welcome to Electra's Parent and Assistance to Electrical Students for Objective Type Exam Preparation, an initiative from the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Christ College, Irinjalakuda. In this session, we will be discussing questions from 51 to 75 of Electrician Agriculture Kerala Public Service Commission exam conducted on the year 2016. The first question is, dielectric strength of a medium is. Dielectric strength is the maximum electric field that a material can withstand under ideal condition without undergoing electrical breakdown. The dielectric strength of air is 3 kilovolt per millimeter. So, the dielectric strength is measured in terms of kilometer. Moving to the next question, electric intensity is expressed as. Electric intensity is nothing but strength of a electric field. It is expressed in terms of volt per meter. Moving to the next question, when two charges are separated, there exists. So, electric potential is the work done in order to separate two charges. So, the answer is EMF, option number D. Moving to the next question, potential inside a hollow charged sphere is. Potential inside a hollow charged sphere is 0. Moving to the next question, capacitance in any circuit is opposition to. A capacitor is used to oppose the change in voltage, whereas an inductor is used to oppose the change in current. So, option is A, voltage. Moving to the next question, the simple measuring instrument used to transfer measurement from steel rule to an object is option number B, caliper. Moving to the next question, 2 ohm resistor having a current of 2 ampere will dissipate a power of. The equation for power is I square R. So, the answer is 8 watt. Answer is option A. Moving to the next question, if diameter of a wire is doubled, keeping the length constant, the resistance will. The equation for resistance is equal to resistivity into length divided by area. As diameter becomes double, the area becomes 4 times or resistance becomes 1 by 4 times. So, the answer is option A. Moving to the 59th question, which of the following element is a linear and bilateral? Answer is resistor, option B. Moving to the next question, why accumulators are preferred in motor car? They are preferred because they can be recharged. Answer is option C. Moving to 61st question, sedimentation occur in a lead acid cell due to. Sedimentation occurs due to overcharging. So, the answer is option A. Moving to 62nd question, Kirchhoff law is valid for. Kirchhoff law is valid for both linear and non-linear circuit, option C. Moving to 63rd question, the algebraic sum of IR drop and EMF in a closed circuit as per KVL. KVL is Kirchhoff voltage law, states that the algebraic sum of IR drop and EMF in a closed loop mesh or circuit is 0. So, the answer is option B. Moving to 64th question, the form factor is the ratio of RMS value to average value. The answer is option D. Moving to 65 fifth question, power factor of an inductive load is. In an inductor, voltage leads current by 90 degree. So, in a pure inductor, power factor is cos 90 or equal to 0. So, answer is option D. Moving to 66th question, a chalk coil has. So, a chalk coil is basically an inductive coil having high inductance and low resistance. So, the answer is option D. Moving to 67th question, a chalk is used to limit a current in. So, as we discussed, a chalk is highly inductive and inductive reactance will be 0 in case of DC current. The chalk is used to limit current only in case of a AC circuit. So, answer is option A. Moving to 68th question, impedance at a series resonance circuit is. So, at a resonance, series resonance, condition is inductive reactance and capacitive reactance are same. So, at a resonant condition, the impedance will be only resistive or impedance is minimum. So, answer is C. Moving to 69th question, power factor is defined as. Power factor is nothing but cosine of angle between voltage and current. So, power factor is nothing but active power divided by apparent power. So, active power is kilowatt and apparent power is kVA. So, answer is option C, kilowatt by kVA. Moving to next question, 2 wattmeter method using measuring power, 2 meters read equal and opposite reading, the load power factor will be. So, the wattmeter value that will be read by each wattmeter in a 2 wattmeter method is W1 equal to V into I into cos 30 minus phi and W2 equal to V into I into cos 30 plus phi. So, for W1 to be equal to minus of W2, the phi should be equal to 90 degree or cos phi should be equal to 0. So, answer is option A. Moving to 71st question, the secondary current of a 400 kVA 11 kV bar 433 volt 3 phase transformer is. So, in order to determine the secondary current, we need to divide the kVA by the secondary voltage, that is 433 volts. So, the answer is 400 kVA divided by 433, that is 533 ampere. Moving to the next question, the current rating of a 400 millimeter square AYFY cable is. The answer is option D, 335 ampere. Moving to the next question, the maximum efficiency of a distribution transformer. Efficiency of a distribution transformer is expressed in terms of all day efficiency, that is output in 24 hours by input in 24 hours. They are designed to have maximum efficiency at half load. So, the answer is option D. Moving to 74th question, unit of luminous intensity is. Unit of luminous intensity is candela. Option C. Last question, the most efficient lamp is. In the given option, the most efficient lamp is graphene or option A. Thank you all.